Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your go-to source for expert hail roof damage insurance repairs in Brighton, Colorado. Trust us to be your reliable roofing partner when protecting your home from unpredictable weather. We understand the importance of prompt and efficient repairs after hail damage at Denny's Roofing. Our dedicated team specializes in providing top-notch roofing solutions tailored to your insurance needs. Dealing with hail damage can be stressful, but our experienced professionals are here to ease the process. We're committed to restoring your roof to its pre-hail damage condition. Explore our comprehensive roofing services designed to address your specific insurance repair requirements. We've covered you for a minor repair or a complete roof replacement. Denny's Roofing is where quality roofing meets insurance expertise in Brighton, Colorado. Your peace of mind is our priority, and we strive to exceed your expectations with every project. Trust us to deliver reliable and efficient hail roof damage insurance repairs. With Denny's Roofing, you can be confident that your investment is in capable hands. We take pride in our professionalism and dedication to customer satisfaction. Don't let hail damage compromise your home's integrity. Let us restore it to its former glory. Experience working with a roofing company that puts your needs first. Contact us today, and let's get started on your hail roof damage insurance repairs. Need assistance with your insurance claim? Count on our experts to navigate the process with ease. We're just a phone call away at 970-478-9607, ready to provide timely assistance. For more details and to view our portfolio of successful projects, visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/brighton-roofing-company. Denny's Roofing, your trusted partner for reliable and hassle-free roofing solutions in Brighton, Colorado.